Alright, so gotta go to the store. I'm very nervous. It's gonna be crazy. Probably, you know, everyone's like holiday shopping and stuff like that, so I hate it. And I hate it more now because school is out. Alright, let's go.
Shopping and it was a fail, and I'm not too happy about that. But well, basically I was planning to buy some skincare stuff because this girl has been crusty lately. I've been using this retinol and it's just been causing me to have some flaky skin. I'm not sensitive or anything, but obviously I need to like get a better moisturizer, so that's what I went to do. Couldn't find what I wanted, sucks. So I didn't get that. I also wanted to buy like a 2024 planner. Hated all the ones that I found in Target, so gonna have to find something else that will, you know, either I'm just gonna like not do it at all or find something else. Anyways, because it was such a fail, I was like, okay, let's do a cooking video. So today I'm gonna make this beef dish. It's gonna be with tomatoes and stuff. All right, let's just go. Okay, first thing, prep.
I've got oil in my pan here. It's heating up. Then we're gonna add the beef in there, add some spices. We'll be cooking. I'm gonna wait for that to get nice and brown. Don't ask how I got that shot. Smells good, gotta turn on the fan. Keep on mixing until I don't know. Okay, so let me see what I gotta do next. Let me get my blender ready because I gotta blend that sauce. All right, let's start blending this, baby. Okay, first, 4 tomatoes. Maybe I should cut these. Okay, I got my tomatoes ready, so we're gonna put some tomatoes. And the green ones. Some chilies. Got onion. Okay, I should cut this one. Cilantro, 3 bay leaves, garlic, water. Let's blend, baby. Okay, I don't know how the girl has her sauce green because mine always turns out like that. Okay, let's add the onion into the beef. I don't like how it's looking. Now, I'm gonna add this. Bring this up to our simmer. Okay, so we're simmering. I'm gonna add give it a good old mix. And I'm adding a little bit of bouillon. Okay, now we're just gonna let that sit for 45 minutes. Moving on to the next thing, rice. Let's move on to that. Okay, first I'm gonna blend everything so I can just have that done before cooking the rice and stuff like that. We're gonna add tomatoes, onion, garlic, voila, bouillon. Now that that's done, let's start frying the rice. The oil looks hot, 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 hot. Adding the rice. So I like to saturate my rice with oil, like the oil I added into the pan. And then I have to just I have to move, leave, because when I keep stirring, I just feel, it's like watching water boil. Like, are you cooking? Are you not cooking? So we're gonna step away. I'm gonna change the battery on the camera, and hopefully this is turned nice and golden. Okay, the rice is almost done. And it's so funny when you're staring at the rice, you're like, has it changed color? I have no idea, but I bet once I go back and look, there is an obvious difference. But I think I'm gonna have it I spread it out like this, hoping that everything can get a nice color to it. And I'm gonna leave it like this a little bit longer. Hopefully it doesn't burn. And then I'm gonna add the onion. Now I'm just gonna wait until that comes up to a boil, and then I'm gonna cover it. Let's look at this. Still going. I just give it a mix. I have some water to add if I ever feel like it gets too low, which it's starting to look like it a little bit. Let's just add a wee bit of water. That's it so far. Alright, we're boiling. I've got my pepper and cilantro. I place put in plate. 1, 2. There we go. Now I'm gonna cover it up. I'll lower the temp, I think. I don't remember. And I think I'm just gonna time it for 10 minutes because I hate when it gets really stuck at the bottom. So, see you then. Okay, so I think the meat is pretty much done. Let me see if I can show you, but I took a piece out and I took a bite of another one and it was pretty soft. I like it when it's really soft. So yeah, nice and soft. Just waiting on the rice now. Okay, let's eat. The lady, she said she put her rice with mayo, and Louis said he's tried it before as well, and that's good. So I put some in this little bowl, and I want to try it off to the side, because if it's not good, at least it's not in my main dish. It is good. I like mayo, so I'm easy to please. Have some cheese over here, some meat, some cheese, and some rice. Really good. I finished eating them. Okay, that was good stuff. We did run out of cheese, so we'll probably have to go get cheese tomorrow, but bomb. Anyways, catch you later. Like, subscribe, comment, you know what I mean. Check you out tomorrow.